Hey there, in this video I'm gonna be creating liquid nails for New Year's. Right now I'm just marking the space I need to leave between the tank and my fingertip there. I'm gonna be using Makartt Topcoat, a non-wipe top coat, meaning that I won't leave a sticky layer. In that way, any decorations that I will add inside the tank won't get attached to it. This is gonna be a thin layer just to create the first wall, if you wanna call it, just the foundation. Because this top coat is gonna be thin, so it won't be strong enough. Once I cure this, I'm going to add another layer of a thicker gel that I have just to make it stronger. And I'm doing this on top of wax paper. I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. I'm removing the nail now from the wax paper, and I noticed that some residue from the paper transferred to the gel. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and file off this excess here so it doesn't show. I did try to do some nails on top of a plastic bag. As you can see here, it was a little bit wrinkly. But once I file off the nails and I put decoration inside the nail tank, that won't be visible. So right now I'm just cleaning up the extra excess paper. Now I'm applying some extra gel just to make the backing of the tank stronger. So I'm gonna do around 2 more coats of gel and cure it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all the edges with my drill bit. This drill bit is a little bit wobbly. I just noticed today. I think I need a new one. But so far it's doing the job for these nails today. And as well, I just purchased a dust collector. Yay! I was trying to buy one for the longest time, and finally I found a good deal on Amazon, and it looks like it's taking all the dust, like it's actually working. So that's pretty good. It's a little bit noisy, but not too much. It's not too bad, and it only has like a switch on and off button. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box below, guys, if you wanna check it out. This is not a sponsor or anything like that, just to give you some information of the items that I use. So I'm gonna perfect the shape a little bit here with my nail file. Now I created some little pieces here that are gonna help me to seal the back of the tank here, because I'm gonna be filling the nail tank from the front part of the nail tips. So I'm just shaping it here and cutting it to make it fit properly, and I'm gonna add some top coat just to attach it. I'm gonna be using as well my portable UV lamp just to flash cure it for a moment here so it stays in place. And it looks easy, guys, but it's not. This little piece was flying all over the place. I'm wearing some gloves to protect my skin from chemicals because I'm currently very allergic to acetone. I'm not allergic yet to any other products for nails like the gels and stuff like that, okay? But the acetone is very bad on my skin. I see some people soaking their entire fingers in acetone, and I said, wow, they're lucky because I cannot even touch it. So once I'm done applying the backing, I'm gonna go ahead and file off the excess here. Once I complete this step, we are gonna go into the fun part of this video, which is decorating the nails. I'm using baby oil for this part, and I'm gonna fill it up first and then add the glitter later. It just makes it easier for me to grab the glitter with the brush, dip into oil, attach is very easy. In this way it's less messy, and as well I'm adding some caviar beads. These ones are heavy, so this one is gonna add some weight to the oil so everything can move better. And as you can see here, I'm having some difficulties getting these caviar beads inside the nail, but they're gonna go in there. There will be no problem with that. I worked so hard not to get these bits inside there. Now I'm moving on to add the glitter. As you can see here, when I wet the long skinny brush that I have into the oil, it's easier just to dip it into the glitter and it attaches very easy. So for me, this works better than trying to put in there dry glitter and it going all over the place. I'm gonna put as much as I can here, but I do have to leave some space for movement. Everything is moving nicely, so I'm gonna go ahead and complete the rest of the nails, and I'm gonna go ahead with base gel, cure that for 30 seconds, and then finish painting the nails. I'm applying a gold chrome powder, but to apply it I'm using black gel polish as base. I'm gonna be curing this for 30 seconds and then go ahead with the chrome. And finally, I'm gonna go ahead with top coat. I'm gonna be curing this for 60 seconds, and I'm going to apply some decoration directly on top of the top coat. And these are the results. I'm very happy with it, guys. As you can see, the decoration is moving inside the nail tank. I'm very happy about it. I was worried. And I noticed that the smaller the bubble, the more movement you will get. If the bubble is bigger, I see that is less movement. As well, what it helps as well is adding decoration that is heavy, so it can move around the oil, especially with baby oil. Baby oil is really thick, so you need some kind of decoration that are heavy so they can move around. As you can see, they are moving, so I just gonna be shaking my nails here so you guys can see the movement. And with these nails, I'm ready to say goodbye to 2023 and welcome 2024. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been following me for a while now and has been watching my videos. And I just want to wish you Happy New Year, love, health, and prosperity. Happy New Year, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.